Who's your top date? Track, score and discover with Love and Dating Tracker. Edit the How We Met drop-down anytime updates instantly in Dating Tracker. Just enter the date's name, select how we met and age. Everything else updates automatically from the Dating Tracker. Record every date in the Dating Tracker. Add scores, kisses, intimacy, hearts and final score appear instantly. In Dating Contacts and Summary, see each person's total dates, average scores, kisses, intimacy, and discover your top 5 instantly.